Hello everybody, I hope you have a wonderful day. Have you ever wondered what meditation is all about? I'm going to tell you today the most profound and simplest secret about meditation. So stick around, watch this video and find out what it means to you, how it will affect you. After this short video, you will know how to meditate and why you should do that every day. It is so simple. Everybody tells you how to meditate. Use music. No music. Use sound. Sounds are good. Have a guided meditation. No, I don't like guided meditation. Should I lay down? Should I sit? Should I close my eyes? All these different and well suggested reasons. But let's first understand what the monkey mind is. That is the reason for so many people not to be able to meditate. And they think I cannot do that and they just give up. You have to be really well trained to have your mind under control so that it's quiet. But that doesn't work for most of us. So what to do? The monkey mind always wants to say something. He wants to tell you his opinion. He wants to distract you. He just doesn't shut up. But you know, we cannot suppress our thoughts and our emotions. And we should not suppress our thoughts and emotions. Give your mind a job and let it be in the first row to actually support you while meditating. Don't push it away. Invite it to be with you very consciously. So what kind of job could that be? Tell your monkey mind to observe very closely your breathing. Exactly. Just observe your breathing. So what happens when you're only focused on your breathing? Everything. What do I mean by that? You become aware of your breathing. You're focused on only one thing. You fall immediately into a light trance, into the alpha brainwave state. Your parasympathetic nerve system becomes active. That means that your sympathetic nerve system shuts down. You get all the benefits, physically, emotionally, and mentally, just by the fact that you activate your parasympathetic nerve system. Okay, when and where should you meditate? Again, very simple. Do it everywhere, every time. Even if it's just for a few seconds. Do it while walking. Do it while you have a meeting. Do it at home. And do it while you're waiting for something or somebody. You don't need to close your eyes. You can do it with open eyes if you want to. The simplest meditation training is just observing your breathing. Do it everywhere and every time. With only one exemption. Don't do it while driving or operating any machinery. Always stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this video and the simple fact that you can be a master of meditation. So, just do it. Just breathe. As simple as that. Okay. I see you next time. Enjoy a beautiful day. Bye. And by the way, before I forget it, please subscribe to our channel if you like what we do and give us a like, a nice thumbs up. Well then, I think that's it for today. Bye bye.